Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. Today I'm sharing some trinket box ideas that I made using dies from Simply Made Crafts by Helen Griffin and the Allison Teal paper collection. And what you're viewing right now are clips from my hauls featuring items that I just mentioned here. Join me at Craftworld.com, where I will be holding exclusive tutorials and giveaways, all sponsored by Craftworld. You'll find links to my page at Craftworld in the description area below. Visit my page at Craftworld.com to view my trinket box tutorial and to enter my giveaway. Enjoy the video.